This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter element renewal. Undo the 3 screws securing the top edge of the left-hand footwell trim panel to the fascia. Lower the panel and pull it away from the fascia to disengage the lower retaining hook. Undo the 2 screws and remove the pollen filter access cover from the underside of the heater unit. Slide the pollen filter element down from the heater unit. The arrow on the edge of the filter element indicates airflow and must point to the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new element into place, then refit the access cover and tighten the retaining screws. Refit the footwell trim panel to the fascia and secure it with the screws.